2023 Range Rover Sport with a Starline Pro. So a thief goes to steal the vehicle, whether it's remote started, they've cloned your key and started the vehicle up, or they've used one of the plug-in devices that are now on the market, started the vehicle. When you select a gear to drive away, it's going to cut out. There we go, put it in reverse, car's died. If they try again, start it up. We'll put it in drive this time so you can see. Select a gear, car cuts out. So for the customer, simplest way to disarm the system is to pair their phone up. So this is the easiest way. Turn the Bluetooth on. Now it's just going to act like it does normally. Going to get in and start it. We hear a disarm tone to confirm that it's us. Now when we select a gear, the car is going to remain running. This system can be paired to up to 5 Bluetooth phones. If the phones go flat, it also has push sequence disarm. Start the vehicle up. Go through a code that they'll set. For the video, we've kept it simple. 3 presses. Hear a melody. Now we can select our gear. That disarms the system.